Hi, my name's Jessica Wood. I'm an interior designer at Lazy Boy in Pineville, North Carolina. I got my interior design degree from East Carolina University in Greenville, North Carolina. I really enjoy our in-home design program because I'm able to come up with new creative ideas for my clients, and it's really exciting when it all comes together and when they find something that they wouldn't have previously done for their home. In my free time, I like to spend time with my friends and family. I usually will take my little sister to go see movies with me at the movie theater. It doesn't matter what movie, just as long as we have a cherry Coke slushie and a bag of popcorn with us. And my friends live pretty far away from me post-college, so I enjoy traveling and exploring their new cities with them. And my favorite superpower, if I had to pick one, would be to travel anywhere at the snap of my fingers. Like I said, my friends live far away from me, so I could go visit them anytime I wanted to.